My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Here is another project. Join Newton. If you want to join, the link is gonna be in the description of this video, or you can check my Telegram channel. The link is gonna be there. So to get started, key in your email address here. After signing up, your dashboard is going to look like this. Okay, so I'm gonna click on got it. Okay, I want you to see, okay, let's go back. I want you to see here there are main quests for you to do and side quests. Okay, if you click on explore quests, okay, that is gonna bring you to this page. So you have to do all of this. After that, go to the side quest, okay, and complete all of this right here. Okay, so once you're done doing all of this, the next thing would be to come back to the home page. If you're wondering where I'm clicking on this to come back to the home page, and then come to this right here. Okay, roll for bonus credits. Okay, this unlocks every day. Okay, so I'm gonna click on roll. So how to play: roll the dice to earn bonus credits, come back every day for another roll. So I'm gonna click on let's roll. So let's roll the dice. So I just rolled the dice. I got 2 credits for that. Okay, so this is all you need to keep doing on a daily basis. And then of course you can share your referral links on social media to get your friends on board. So to do that, just click on that right there, okay, and click on refer friends. Okay, that is going to show you your referral link. Notice 50 credits for you, 50 credits for them after they complete the X quest. Okay, so you can click on this to copy your referral link. If you've got any questions, let's hear in the comment section. And if you're looking for more, don't forget to join my Telegram group. I share links to these projects, okay, the testnets, deepings, and other important projects I am forming in 2025. Okay, you can see all of them here. Just check the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel so you can see all of this. If you want to see all of them, just click on this right here. You're gonna see all of them. You can see I pinned all of them here. Okay, it goes up to 50.